Once upon a time, there was a very peaceful garden. But this garden developed a problem. Marauding bands of bandits would come at the night and rip and tear the poor unsuspecting flowers to shreds. And the queen of the garden was very, very sad. And these marauding bandits kept up their despicable ways until the queen of the garden became exceedingly wroth. Then these marauding bandits moved on to the front yard of the queen's estate and began to rip and tear the whole estate apart. And the queen was exceedingly upset. And those marauding bandits didn't stop there. Oh no. With their evil ways, they continued throughout the estate, ripping and tearing the grounds apart. And the queen was at her wit's end. Then the queen told the king, and the king became exceeding wroth. And then the king discovered that he had to go and repair all the damage that these marauding bandits had done. And he fixed it, and they came back, and he fixed it, and they came back. And he fixed it, and they came back again and again and again. So the king of the estate said, "We need to get rid of these marauding bandits once and for all." And so the king spoke to a neighboring kingdom, and the king of that kingdom said, "Yes, I have had the same problem as you, my friend. However, I have found a solution, and let me help you out with that." So the gracious king helped the king of the estate with his problem, and this was the solution. And this is one of those roving bandits that rip and tear and shred until there is nothing left. So it was discovered that the bandits were actually wild boars, feral pigs, that would continually terrorize the kingdom, the estate, and all the neighboring kingdoms as well. So this roving bandit was captured and tried and found guilty of mass destruction. So the king passed sentence, and the final sentence is that this bandit shall meet its final end in Lau leaves. And then the kingdom was restored to peace, at least for a time. The end.